ScaleUp is a cloud management platform that enables you to build a business storefront for a public, private, or hybrid cloud project. It is the point of purchase that transforms powerful but complex cloud stacks like AppLogic, OpenStack, or EC2 into a simple Order Now button that even a mere mortal business user can understand. Let's take a look at what the user might see. First, I'll point out that ScaleUp offers a template-based system where the administrator can easily customize these screens with their colors, fonts, header, logo, menu text, and so on. We'll start with virtual machines. As the administrator, you decide what images are available here to your users, as well as what cloud locations are available for this to be deployed in. Once the user picks from them, they're able to select from packages. You configure the number, name, size, and prices of the packages shown here. The user can select a package, or they can slide the bars to get a more granular virtual machine configuration. Once they've made their selections, they simply click Order Now, and ScaleUp translates the user's request to the underlying cloud stack and location selected. This information is now shown on the user's dashboard. At any time, the user can simply come in and click Start, and ScaleUp will send the configuration information to the cloud location the user selected, AppLogic, OpenStack, or EC2, and in the proper physical or virtual location of that cloud technology stack. The user is able at any time to see all of their running machines or applications on the ScaleUp dashboard and can start, stop, copy, resize, or delete them. Everything the user does is captured in the ScaleUp audit log, including all of the metering information so that the platform manager can properly invoice or charge back the user for their usage. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to deploy a scalable, multi-tiered application using ScaleUp. The user starts by selecting the application stack that they want to use. This could be anything that can run virtually: Java, Tomcat, LAMP, Ruby on Rails, .NET, and so on. We'll pick Tomcat. Similar to virtual machines, the user can also pick their location. Here in the demo we have one, but as the platform manager you could select any combination of locations between AppLogic, OpenStack, or EC2. Since this is an auto-scaling environment, the user needs to decide the minimum and maximum number of machines to scale from and to as the load grows. You'll see the picture on the right dynamically changes as we do that, as well as the price. In this instance, we might say that we need at least 2 machines to run all the time, but we want to auto-scale as the load grows and shrinks. The user can now size the machines and select from network-attached storage, as well as their database. The database, similar to virtual machine images, can be anything that can be virtualized. Could be MySQL, could be Oracle, could be SQL Server, anything they desire. They can also size the database as they need. As they do that, you'll notice the price is changing based on the criteria the administrator or the platform manager has entered. We also include a load generator that the user can turn on or off at any time. And just like a virtual machine, once the user clicks Order, they can very quickly log into their dashboard and see the status of this, and they can start, stop, copy, or delete it at any time, in addition, of course, to being able to resize it. Finally, let's take a look at the application store. Any application that can be templated in a virtualized environment can be made available here. The user selects from packages that are meaningful to them. Maybe it's the number of users, number of transactions, number of products, etc. And they can also use the sliders to customize things like disk or CPU and RAM. Just like everything else in ScaleUp, once they click Order Now, ScaleUp does the rest, automatically deploying the application to the right cloud with the right technology in just a few minutes. And of course, the user can then go to the application in the dashboard and stop, resize, or copy it at any time. In addition to what we've seen here on the user side, ScaleUp offers a complete administrative interface as well, with all the tools necessary to easily build and run your cloud storefront, manage your users, their roles, virtual machine and application images, utilization, and much more. ScaleUp is available in both a SaaS and on-premise model and solves the challenge of creating an easy-to-consume public, private, or hybrid cloud to the average user without them having to be cloud experts. Plus, being cross-platform and supporting multiple cloud technologies, ScaleUp is like having insurance against the rapidly evolving cloud technology. For more information, please visit scaleupcloud.com or email sales@scaleup.it.